When you have a full-time job, I kid you not guys, it's so hard to do YouTube, okay? And that's why guys, I have to confess, I have to tell you the truth, that this video that you're about to watch right now, I shot on the 7th of September, which is like 2 months ago, okay guys, and I never uploaded it. But to be honest guys, this video I had to like test it out. I had to take like a month so that it's not clickbait to you guys. I had to test it out myself, try it out myself, and if it worked, then I was to upload this video. And luckily enough guys, this recipe is foolproof. It worked. It took me around a month and a half for the produce that I made, for the product that I made through this recipe. It took me around 1 month and a half. So I used it for 1 month and a half basically, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. English is not my first language, so it's really hard to like juggle all the English words in my head and come up with a full sentence. Anyway, yeah, practice makes perfect. Anyway guys, so yeah, before I start this video, I wanted to tell you that this video has taken me over 2 months for me to upload, and partly because I was lazy and partly because during the pandemic I had so much time for myself, so much free time to do videos, edit videos, learn, and I guess it wasn't really enough time to get everything up in there, you know. I had like 5 months, 6 months for like doing YouTube, trying out something new, and I loved it, to be honest. I love doing YouTube. I love the learning process. It's a bit difficult sometimes, but you know, nothing is easy in this world. Anyway guys, so this video was about sieving tomatoes, and I just wanted to tell you guys that it worked. Foolproof, it's safe, and it saves you some pocket change. Actually, not pocket change. Tomatoes are really expensive. Tomato is a fruit and it's really expensive, so it's not pocket change. It saves you some amount of money. For like, if you throw the tomatoes, then you'd lose some money, but if you use this method, then you'd save a lot of money. Going to the going to the store, buying to the market, buying new tomatoes every time, that's not easy. Just because you bought a bunch of tomatoes at a good price, then they ended up spoiling in your chiller or your fridge, guys. So this is how we do it in Cook Jungle. We help you save money while giving you very easy, cool new ways to work with your tomatoes, work with your produce, work with your ingredients, okay guys? So without further ado, it's time to fork with me. Yeah, I had to use that. That's my new tagline, okay guys? If you still haven't seen it, well, here's my new logo with the tagline, as you can read it. Time to fork with me. When I say fork with me, I mean F-O-R-K, like, you know, when you have a fork and a knife and you're eating, yeah, we're forking together, right? Anyway guys, without further ado, here's the video. Before I go, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload these awesome videos. So here's the video. Without further ado, let's start right now. Okay, right now. Okay, let's start right now. So I went to the market the other day, and I got so many tomatoes that they stayed in my fridge for a while because I go to work every day, so I don't really have time, a lot of time to cook. So I went to the market the other day, bought so many tomatoes thinking that they will survive. I put them in the fridge. You can see tomato is not yet ripe, because when you go to the market and you're putting tomatoes for a while, you don't get really ripe tomatoes, okay? So as you can see, I got not really ripe tomatoes. This is actually very far from being ripe, but look at what happened to the tomato. See, it's already having black spots. It's already going bad. You can see this one. It's already becoming like a bit soggy and mushy. You can see this one also, same thing. It has black spots, looks uglier. And you can see this one, it's almost gone. Okay, so guys, today I thought maybe I should share a video with you about how you can save your tomatoes, how you can make them survive for a longer while. Okay, so we're going to puree all this tomato and cook it until it's a bit, it's like pasty, you know, it's like You know, when you buy those store-bought peeled tomatoes, that's what we're going to do. But now we're not going to peel this, we're just going to cut them and blend them. Okay, so you need a blender first. We're going to cut these tomatoes. You don't really need a chopping board for now. You just need like a serrated knife and then a blender. You cut some tomatoes inside it, and then make sure you get to remove most of the black parts, because you don't need those black parts. So we're going to like cut the tomatoes into the blender, and we're going to use the tomato juice. You can see it's very juicy. We're going to use the tomato juice to blend it, so we're not going to put any water inside. Okay guys, so I'll just cut this. Just cut this into small pieces. See? If using a chopping board is easier for you, then go ahead and use a chopping board. Don't stress yourself out with holding the tomatoes like this. Okay guys, just cut your tomatoes into small pieces. There you go. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and welcome to Cook Jungle. If you're new, if you're still one of my fans and you've been here with me for a while, thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting my channel. So I will do this a little bit fast so that I don't waste much of your time. I just want to show you, you need to start with blending your tomatoes. So I'm going to blend all of these tomatoes. As you can see, I have lots of tomatoes and they are very massive. I don't want to waste anything. This is a lot of money actually, so I'm trying to save some few dollars from your pocket. Okay, so I'll just cut this up real quick, then I will show you when I finish blending this. Okay guys, so stay tuned, follow the video till the end. See guys, we have blended that. This is the first batch, as you can see. We're going to put it onto a big pot. There you go. Then we do that for the rest of the tomatoes. So guys, for the second batch, you're going to pour the juice, a little bit of the juice back to the blender, so that it makes it easier for you to blend the rest of the tomatoes. Okay, so just remove the black part, as we said. Today I have my friend Sophia who is going to help me, because I cannot film and do these things at the same time, because this one needs an up-close video. You can see the tomatoes are very juicy. Just imagine losing all that juice because you're throwing away tomatoes because they turned black or they became bad. So this is an easy tomato hack to keep your tomatoes alive. Wow. See guys, the tomato was also going bad. Almost going bad. So let's do this, let's finish this. Then once we are done, I will show you the next step. So first step, clean your tomatoes, remove them from the fridge, then remove the black parts, blend them, blend the tomatoes. This is how you're going to see. It's like puree them. Then we're going to use this same pot to cook these tomatoes so that we get a nice, it's like reduction. We're going to reduce these tomatoes so we get a nice thick tomato paste that we can store for almost 1 month. So guys, we have finished blending our tomatoes. Okay guys, we have just put them on the stove. As you can see guys, I want to show you. See, we have put them on the stove. This is our tomato blend. Okay guys, we're going to let it boil. We're going to cook it until it has reduced into a thick paste. Guys, one more thing to note guys, is that we're not going to flavor this tomato paste, this tomato puree that we're making. We're not going to flavor it because we're going to use it to cook different things. So we don't want to like mess up the flavors when we're making something different. Maybe when we're making fish, you need a different flavor of tomato for the fish. So we're going to leave it plain, pure and simple. So we're going to reduce this until it's like a thick paste. Just don't burn it. Just reduce, don't burn. Let it boil, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly over time. Maybe 1 hour or maybe 1 hour 10 minutes or something, or 45 minutes. Depends on the quantity you have. So this one probably maximum time it will take around 1 hour. So don't flavor it if you don't want to flavor it. Otherwise you can add maybe some basil leaves, basil leaves at the most, just basil leaves. Okay guys, so here we go. Our tomatoes are already blended. This is the way to save your tomatoes. Okay, I'll show you once the final product is done, after the let's say after the 1 hour, after it has reduced. I will show you how it looks like. So keep watching. Thank you for supporting Cook Jungle. So guys, as you can see, it's boiling very nicely. Yes, so we're going to do this over the next 1 hour and we will have a very nice puree, a very nice paste, as you can see. And you can see guys, this is a very inexpensive method because we did not add anything. We never added anything to this, just the tomato, the puree. You don't even need to add oil, just that. Boil it, or like cook it rather than, because we're saying boiling because it's already a liquid. So cook it for 1 hour and you will have a very nice thick, and it's going to be really red guys. I promise you, it's going to be really red. So reduce this for a while guys. We'll show you the picture after 1 hour, or maybe after I already cooked it, reduced, and then I have cooled it down. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so that was the video for today. I showed you how to save your tomatoes. Okay, if you have tomatoes that are about to go bad, this is what you should do. This is the final product, as you can see guys. Here is the final product. I don't know if you can see it properly. This is how it looks like. We're going to store this in this container and cover it. I'm going to use it over the next couple of weeks. Okay guys, this is going to be my puree over the next couple of weeks, and it's an easy hack, easy kitchen hack that you can use anytime, anywhere. As we know, tomatoes last longer when cooked rather than when they are in the fridge and still raw. Okay, they will last a bit longer. So make sure that you always cover. Don't change the temperature, like don't keep it out then in, out then in. That temperature fluctuation will make your tomatoes go bad really fast. So if you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you're still there watching my videos but haven't still decided to subscribe, do subscribe. Okay guys, then hit the like button, share with the people you love, and try this tomato hack. Okay, so for all those who have been supporting me, thank you. I'll never say this enough. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers before 1 year is over, and 4,000 watch hours. Hopefully we will get to that. We are at around 400 watch hours. Whew. It's like 26 videos and we're at 400 watch hours. So guys, please support your boy. At least watch at least 10 minutes of my video. Sometimes watch the whole video. You know, if 300 people or 100 people watch 10 minutes of my videos, that's 1,000 minutes already, right? But now if you watch 2 minutes of my video, then 100 people watch 2 minutes of my video, that's just 200 minutes. So guys, support your boy. I would really appreciate it. I promise you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch other of my videos there. I have put some other links to different videos on the comment section. Actually not the comment section, but on the description box below. So if you want to see most of my recipes, I put most of them on the comment section, on the description box in my YouTube videos. So make sure you watch that. Yeah, so you can watch this video, I think it's here, and you can watch which other video, this video here, and you can subscribe down here. Okay guys, this and down here. Okay guys, so let's say till next time, bye bye and stay blessed.